Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about language settings in Google Ads. So let's get started. So let's go to the official documentation of Google about language targeting. So if you try to communicate with others who don't speak the same language, you might find it tough to get your message across. Similarly, when advertising using Google Ads, you want your ads to appear to customers who can understand them. Language targeting lets you target your ads to potential customers who use Google products and third-party websites based on the languages those customers understand. Choose your target language. Language targeting allows you to choose the language of the potential customer you'd like to reach. We'll show your ads to customers who use Google products such as search or Gmail or visit sites and apps on the Google Display Network (GDN) in the same language. Keep in mind that Google doesn't translate ads or keywords. Target languages on the search network. Google Ads on the search network can target one language, multiple languages, or all languages. Your ads will be eligible for queries when the keywords match and Google believes that the user understands at least one targeted language. You might find it helpful to target all languages. By targeting all languages, you can reach people who speak more than one language and may search in several languages. Let's get to know how Google Ads detect language. Google Ads uses a variety of signals to understand which language the user knows and attempts to serve the best ad available in a language the user understands. These signals could include query language, user settings, and other language signals as derived by our machine learning algorithm. So I will share this doc with you so that you can study further about Google Ads language settings. Let's go to the Google Ads overview about language settings. So we are in the language section that we can target all languages at a time. Okay. We can target all languages. We can target single languages like English. We can target multiple languages, Spanish. Okay. So yeah, suppose I have a website. Okay. So it has two language option. And if I want to target this website for Google Ads, then I need to target in two languages like this one, English and Spanish. So you could have multi-language supported website, then you need multi-languages to be targeted. Okay. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on languages targeting in Google Ads. If you like our video, you can comment below and subscribe our channel, like our page. So yeah, that's it for this video. You have a good day. Bye bye.